I've always been strong-headed, and if someone, closes a door on me, I'm gonna find a window to go through. The worst thing that could happen is you do your thing to fall back on and then you hate your life. Like, that would be way worse than doing the thing that you love, trying to find a way to make money at it and make a living at, and then, maybe failing. Yeah, but worst case scenario, you fail, you learn something, you figure out a better way to do it moving forward, and then you succeed. And obviously, yeah, there were times that I questioned, wow, this feels really, really hard. Is it really worth doing? And if it's hard, it's worth doing. It's hard because it's worth doing. It's a lot more important to have good resources and good supportive folks around you than it is to have talent or knowledge. You can build your skills and you can hone your talents and you can gain knowledge, but if you don't have the resources and the support system to begin with, then it's going to be very, very hard to come up.